Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the language in your Audi A6. First, turn on your car's ignition without starting the engine. Next, find the MMI control panel, which is usually located near the gear selector. Once you've found it, press the Menu button to bring up the main system options on your display. This is your starting point for navigating the system. Now that you're in the main menu, use the MMI control knob to scroll through the options. Look for Setup MMI or simply Settings on the screen. Once you've highlighted the correct option, press the control knob to confirm your selection and enter that menu. From there, you'll need to navigate further to locate the language or sprake setting. With the language menu open, select Language and press the control knob to proceed. You will now see a list of all available languages. Carefully scroll through this list using the MMI knob until you find your preferred language. Once it's highlighted, simply press the control knob one more time to confirm your selection. The system is now ready for the final step. After selecting your new language, the system will typically display a confirmation prompt. Make sure to select Yes or Confirm to finalize the change and apply the new language to your Audi A6's MMI system. Your display should now reflect your chosen language. Also, for easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description below, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.